Hi guys, this is Louis from Novsight team. Today I'm going to show you how to install these LED headlights properly. Before I started, let me show you guys the Novsight LED family. Novsight currently has 3 types of LED headlights. The mini version, headlights with built-in dryer, and external driver. This part over here is the LED chipset, which is the most important and fragile parts of LEDs. So please be careful when installing. Try not to touch it or break it. This part is the aluminum heatsink and fan to cool down component. Of course, we have products with fanless design. This part is the driver of LEDs. For built-in drivers, headlights, and the mini models, the drivers is built inside the products. But normally, these high-power driven headlights need an outside dryer to provide higher efficiency. Moving on is the locking ring of the LED headlight. This part has the same structure as the halogen headlights. This little ring here is to fix the body in the housing. Have to mention that the locking ring is different from models to models. Finally, here is the connector of the LED headlights. This part is also the same structure as the halogen headlights to ensure that the connector on the car can be connected properly. Okay, I have to mention that some products might have polarity in the connector. You need to change the positive and negative poles and try it again if you fail to light them up for the first time. Let's take a look at how to install H13 9008 bulbs. Push down the knob on the connector and disconnect these 2 parts. Turn the bulb counterclockwise and remove the original bulb. Holding the bulb by the heatsink, twist the locking ring counterclockwise until it unlocks, and then remove it. Install the locking ring to the vehicle's light housing. Line up the tap parts between the locking ring and the housing. Twist it clockwise until it's fixed. Insert the bulb into the light housing. Line up the tap parts of the locking ring with the locking grooves of the light housing. While pressing down the LED bulb, turn it clockwise until the flat sides of the bulb facing at 3 and 9 o'clock. When installing LED bulbs, the heatsink should be oriented in the up direction. Connect the LED bulb connector with the original vehicle connector. Then, reinstall the rubber cover if necessary. Start the car and turn on the lights. Check whether the high and low beam of the car are working properly, whether the lights are flicking, whether the car dashboard has an error warning, and test whether the car radio will be interfered. Feel free to contact us if this problem shows in your car. After finishing these steps, we have successfully installed the LED headlights in your car. If there are any problems during the installation, feel free to contact our service crew through the information on the screen and the description box down below. Novsight team has been providing safe, easy to use, high quality auto parts products with advanced technology for global car owners for over 10 years.